do I prepare for the new year? I want to hit my $5,000 monthly income goal by the end of February. Hi, beautiful people, and welcome to Live Heavily with Ruth. It's few days to Christmas, and a new year is in sight. I believe it's going to be a big year for all of us. But before you get carried away with all the holiday festiveness and end of the year excitement, let me remind you that you need to prepare and plan in order to ensure this year turns out as your best year ever. A successful year doesn't just happen. You need to prepare and plan for it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my 5 practical steps to preparing and planning for the new year. But before we get into that, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're interested in becoming a better version of yourself, up-leveling your productivity, and living a happier life. On this channel, I inspire moms and intentional young men and women with ideas and strategies that can help them become their better, more productive, and happier selves, so they can thrive in every area of their lives. Now let's get right into the business of the day. Statistics have shown that 80% of people give up on their New Year resolution before the end of the second year of the month, while only 8% of people achieve their New Year goals. What about the 92%? The truth is, most people don't plan to fail. They simply fail to plan. That's the reason why they end up failing. And today, we're going to be talking about 5 things you need to do, 5 steps you need to take to plan for a successful New Year. Number 1, take some time to reflect and review the ending year. You can't talk about preparing for a new year without reviewing the ending year. The goal here is to find out what worked and what didn't work, and why what didn't work. And to do this, you need to prepare this 4 lists. 1, list of accomplishments. This should consist of the things you were able to achieve. 2, list of failures. This should consist of things you set out for but was not able to achieve. Number 3, list of lessons. This consists of the things you were able to learn from the ending year, your 1, 2, 3 takeaway from the year. It could be identified reasons why what didn't work, okay? And the last list you need to create while reviewing or reflecting on the ending year is your list of gratitude. Yes, you need to be grateful. This should consist of the things you're grateful for. Gratitude is important because gratitude is the foundation for more. Number 2 step you need to take preparing or planning for the new year is taking some time to do a self and life audit. This simply means assessing yourself, assessing your life. Take out some time to think about how you feel about every area of your life, your emotional and mental well-being, your finance and money habits, your relationship and family, your spiritual life, everything about your life. Try as much as possible not to leave out any area. Now the goal here is to find out where you're not doing well or what you're not doing well about each of these areas of your life, and what you can do in order to improve upon them or to make them better in the coming year. The number 3 thing you need to do in preparation for the new year is make a new year resolution or make new year resolutions. New year resolution is simply outlining practical steps you can take to become a better person. I know a lot of people have given up on the idea of new year resolution because they seem not to achieve it. They seem not to meet up with it, so they think it's not necessary. The reason people don't achieve their New Year resolutions is because they wait until New Year's Eve to think about it. That's not how it works. You need to take out enough time to make your New Year resolution. That is planning. Planning is simply bringing the future into the present so you can do something about it now. By the time you get into the future, you're ready for it. And once you've done your life and self-audit and you've reflected and reviewed the ending year, it's easier. Doing all that makes it easier for you to come up with your New Year resolutions. The things you were able to identify that were the reasons why you didn't do well in the ending year. Make up your New Year resolution. You now decide and say, I'll do this in order to do this better. It's simple. It's as simple as that. So if you're like me that still believes in New Year resolution, it's time to start preparing one. Or if preparing one inspires you or motivates you to go for the things that are important to you, this is the right time to start. Don't wait until New Year's Eve to think about it. Now, the 4th thing you need to do is to set goals. Take out some time to set goals. It could be a day or a weekend when you will be all by yourself. Set your monthly goals, your daily goals, and everything you want to achieve by the end of the year. So you will have a focus. You have the things you're working towards. It could be in different areas of your life. You can have personal development goals, you can have financial goals, you can have relationship goals. It's just about goals. Take out some time to do this. It's very important. Set your priorities. Create your personal mantra for the year. Draw your vision. Alright, the fifth and the last step you need to take in preparing for the new year is to plan the new year. You know, there is something about having 12 months of fresh possibilities laid out before you, and you want to be very intentional about making the most of it. And to do this, you need to take out some time to plan the year. You don't want to go into the year clueless about what to do and how to go about making the new year count for you and your business. And to do this, you're going to be needing a goal planner or any kind of planner. You can as well get our Livably yearly goal planner from Amazon. You will see the link in the description below, or get any kind of planner. The main thing is to put your goals in a planner. And of course, you know, a goal without a deadline is more like a mere wish. Okay, so the planner helps you to plan it out. The start time, the finish time, set a system around it, strategies, and how to go about making sure that you make your goals your reality. That will be all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so you will always be notified anytime I upload a new video. And don't forget to share. You wouldn't know, you might be helping somebody prepare effectively for the new year. And also give this video a thumbs up. That's one way to encourage me to keep showing up. And until I come your way next time, stay cool. Merry Xmas in advance, and bye for now.